Where is the lace? Where is it? Do y'all see it? I don't see it. It's lost. What's up, warriors? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Sydney Jolie. What's good? What's poppin'? I know it's been a little minute since I've returned. Well, actually, it hasn't been that long. But I've been up to things. Y'all know, when I'm gone, I be up to things, okay? So now, I am back, and we are back with another hair review video. This video, however, is a little different from the hair review videos that I'm used to doing because this is my first Virgin hair unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys. This video is being brought to you guys by ENCHANTEDBLEU Virgin hair. Look at it, it's so bomb. There's no actual styling in this video because I will be making another video just showing y'all how I basically go in and create a part. So warriors, if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look with this beautiful unit that was sent to me from ENCHANTEDBLEU Virgin hair, then stay tuned. Do not go nowhere. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the warrior gang. And also tap that notification bell so you can get a notification every time I post. Okay? Okay, capiche? Capiche. Without further ado, let's get right into it. This is the unit. It's absolutely bomb, okay? The curl pattern is bomb. The wig itself, bomb. Like, this wig is just everything, y'all. Look at this. Right now, it's a little poofy only because I wet it down. I just wanted to see how it would react to water. So I just put some water on it. And as y'all can see, it's still bomb. It still looks good. The curl pattern is amazing. It's really soft. I can just run my hands straight through it. No shedding. And y'all know curly hair sheds like a poodle. I also wanted to see how thick the hair actually was because when I first got it, the curls were a little more uniform. So I did go ahead and wet the wig down just so I could see it get bigger and just show like how it would look once it got wet and how it would react once it got wet. So I did do that, and it is a little bigger because of that. But it looks good. Like, this is really some bomb curly hair. Like, this is the best wig that I've ever had, literally. I'm not even boosting it. I'm not even boosting it. Like, this wig is popping. I cannot wait to get it on my head. Like, yeah, period. This unit is the Frontal Crown Noble Texture. That's what the texture is called, Noble Texture. And is 18 inches. Full lace. It also comes with some combs on the inside and some adjustable straps. It's very full. It just smells like Virgin hair. Like, it don't smell like corn chips. It don't smell crazy. It just smells like Virgin hair, literally. And the knots are not bleached yet. However, I am going to go in and bleach the knots, but I want y'all to see before I do anything. Like I said, this is the Queenly 18-inch Noble Texture Frontal Wig. And I will leave all information for this wig, including my discount code, in the description box below. This is basically how my unit came. It just came in this clear bag. And it also came inside of this. It just says 100% Virgin hair. And in my package, I also received a beauty blender. I received some angelic glaze, which is also made by ENCHANTEDBLEU Virgin hair. I'm gonna get these edges snatched up on my wig. It smells so good, y'all. And it's like, it's not like a pomade, but it's like that good slick edge control. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That good slicking stuff, you know? So yeah, look at that. That one little section. Bow. And I also have my beautiful princess lashes in the style Tiana. They're so cute. With some little beads in there. And of course, my Enchanted Blue business card. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is bleach these knots because I want it to look like a scalp, which it already looks really good. So, yeah, look at that. Never in my life have I gotten a unit like this. Okay, let's get into these knots. I'm already feeling myself and I haven't even got it on yet. I haven't did my makeup. Like what? Enchanted Blue. Since I'm about to cut the lace, I just want to put it on and make sure both sides are even. Of course, we're gonna start here at my ear. Cut off that excess. Y'all see how low my hairline is? Like, I really have no space for lace. No space for lace. But we gonna make it work. And these sideburns, honey. All right, so now I'm gonna lay down this cap. Of course, I'm using my Got to Be in the black bottle or tube, I would say, just because I don't want this all sticking up and looking crazy. Whoa. And I'm not doing the ball cap method. I just want it to be on my head, because all that extra stuff, I'm not with that right now. But yeah, I know I would just put it over my ear and blah blah blah, but I'm not doing it, so. It's kind of like tacky, so I'm gonna start to lay the wig down while it's like in between tacky and wet, so I can make sure it dries secure. Okay. Push the lace in and melt it down. So I'm just putting the lace down and not the hair. So I haven't even went in and really fixed it yet, but as y'all can see, it's already melted, like, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my scarf and allow it to continue to dry. Once it's all dry and laid down and secured, it's already secure, but y'all know what I mean. Then I'm gonna do my baby hairs and style it and all of that. It's a piece of lace right here. All right, y'all, I'm back. As y'all can see, my hand is white. My hand is white from washing my brushes. It's the soap that I use, okay? Don't think that I'm just extremely ashy or something wrong with my hand. It's just from the soap from washing my brushes, okay? All right, so we just gonna take this off. I know it's gotta be dry by now. Yeah, because it's all stuck down. Look at that melt. It's melted. And all that is Gucci. And then pluck if I need to, because I didn't really pluck that much. I was supposed to have a stand to sit it on and pluck, but you know, things don't always go as you plan them, so I I gotta just do what I gotta do without the stand. Period. Just to let y'all know, this is my first frontal slay, okay? So y'all can see the difference of this side and this side. Now I'm about to do the same thing. Just use some mousse and some of this curling cream. And honestly, I don't want a part right now. I really just want it to be cute and natural because it just looks so bomb. Natural vibes. I'll add a part to it within the next couple days. I guess once I decide if I want a middle or a side part. I wanted y'all to basically see how I unpackaged the unit. I wanted y'all to see how it was in its natural state, wet, while I was washing it, bleaching the knots. I just wanted y'all to see, you know, all the basics. But of course, y'all know more videos are coming with this hair. Like, it's just too bomb not to. Like, what? Can we say scalp? S-C-A-L-P? Like, can we say scalp? Can we say scalp? Where is their frontal, y'all? Like, where's their lace? Do y'all see it? I can't see it. Do y'all see it? Where's their lace at? Where's the lace? It's hiding. I can't find it. Can't tell me this ain't my hair. This pretty much concludes today's review. And I will most definitely be back to show y'all how I actually will style this unit with a part and how I use my hot comb and everything else. And also with an update on everything, how the hair is doing, is it shedding, you know, all of that. I literally love big poofy curly hair on me. Like, it's just so beautiful. I just love it. It's so beautiful. Look at it. Like I said, y'all, I will be back with updates on everything. Y'all can see the content has been coming. New things are happening. I'm a brand ambassador for multiple brands at this point. So I got stuff in the works for my warriors, okay? And that's pretty much it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to this video. I will catch y'all in the next one. Sid Jolie out.